Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the middle drawer frame in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Open the refrigerator door and fully remove the middle drawer. Next, remove the glass shelf from the middle drawer frame. Now lift the front of the old frame up and pull forward to remove. Next, depress the tab to detach the humidity control lever from the frame. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the slots to release the tab securing the humidity control slide. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to remove the left and right side support rollers from the frame. To prepare the new middle drawer frame for installation, transfer the front and rear gaskets from the old frame to the new one. Position the two support rollers and thread the screws to secure. Install the humidity control slide by aligning the rear edge under the retaining tabs, then press the front edge until it snaps into place. Install the humidity control lever by inserting the actuator tab into the upper slot. Align it with the slide, then snap the lever's retaining tab into the lower slot. Now align the frame's rear notches over the rear liner support posts and lower the frame onto the front posts. Insert the glass shelf into the new frame. Replace the middle drawer, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.